guys, welcome to my channel. Make Nigeria Moi-Moi with me. The ingredients I'll be using are my black-eyed beans that is already picked. I'll be using mackerel fish that's already been cut, 5 eggs. I'll be using shombo, habanero pepper. I'll be using ginger, garlic, and my onion. I'll be using 2 cubes of knorr. I'll be using salt. I'll be using all-purpose seasoning for my fish. I'll be using my crayfish. Then the foil plate for cooking the moi-moi. So guys, first of all, I'm going to peel my beans with my blender. If you've not watched my video on how I peeled my beans, I will add the link to the description box. I'm going to transfer everything to my blender and I will blend it. All the pepper did not enter once, so I just do it partly. I added in my fish broth and a little water to enable it to blend. Cover it up and transfer it straight to my motor base. So I go on to blend it using my mouse blend button. So right now it has gone down, so I have to put in the rest of the pepper, the garlic, the onion that I didn't put the initial time. So I'll go on to blend it. So this time around I'm adding my crayfish, I'm adding my knorr cube, and I'm adding my salt, I'm adding my oil, and I'll cover it and blend so that everything will be mixed together. So I'm done blending this time, and I'm going to take it off the motor base, transfer it to another bowl through the funnel mount on the cover of the blender bowl, and I'll mix it up. The oil is not enough, I have to add oil, and also it's too thick, I have to add a little water. As you're turning, be checking the consistency, don't put too much water so it will not be too soft or mushy. After cooking, I will check the taste. It is not enough, I added my salt, and that's it. I'll go on to line my foil pepper. The moi-moi butter is ready to be transferred to the foil pepper, so I'll just go on and line it up. I'll bring in my boiled mackerel fish that has been deboned and my boiled egg that has been cut into 2. I will transfer my moi-moi butter into the foil plate. Then put in the egg in each of them, and then put in my fish afterwards. You can see there are some moi-moi butter that is still remaining in the bowl, so I'm going to bake that one. Just stay tuned and see how I baked my moi-moi. See guys, if you watched to this point, support your girl by liking, sharing the video. So in an empty pot, I'm going to pour in a little water. The water is boiled, so the water should be reaching half of the foil plate that is at the bottom. So I'll go in to line in other moi-moi until they are well packed into the pot. I will cover it with my foil pepper just to entrap the steam, and the steam will help the moi-moi, the plate that are on top, to get done. Yeah, so guys, so I'm going to cook it for 45 to 50 minutes. So this is the remaining moi-moi butter. I'll transfer it into my baking pan that has been greased with oil. I'll transfer the remaining one that is in the foil into it. I will cover it up with a foil, make sure it's well covered, and in a baking pan, I'm going to pour in a little water and transfer the moi-moi inside it. I will preheat my oven at 200 degrees Celsius and then transfer my moi-moi into it. I'm going to allow it there for like more than 1 hour. I'll be checking it at interval to know when it's done. So this is after 45 to 50 minutes, and guys, our moi-moi is done. Yeah, I'm going to dig into it with a knife to ensure that it's well done. So if my knife come out clean, that means it's done. But then if it came out clumsy and some butter on it, that means it's not done. So mine was clean and it's done. So I'll go on to take it off the pot one after the other. So guys, take a look at what our moi-moi look like at the end. This is so yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. So guys, kindly like, share my video by so doing it's reaching more people. Subscribe to my channel. You are supporting me to drop more video. Turn on the bell button so you get the notification when I drop a new video. To my subscribers, I love you so much. To my intended subscribers, you are welcome. Feel free. This is our baked moi-moi. Just take it off from the oven, and guys, let's see what it looks like. This is actually my first time trying baked moi-moi, and it came out so good. Then it stayed longer than the one I cooked with my pots. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.